Fast unboxing. I am recovering this Apple Watch, which is a Series 1 that I often it's serving me. I was about to buy a Apple Watch Ultra Series 1, but it was 499. I almost bought it, then I decided to proceed with a sort of recovery project, and this from Smanique. This is an item, it's a bracelet from Smanique, which is a site of two Italian brothers. They are creating that bracelet for Apple Watch to refresh them. I will mount this one on this. After that I repair, zooming, after that I repair that screen. Unboxing. Okay, this is the paper cover. Probably this is gum. And it's quite a good quality packaging. And here is. This is supposed to be a replica of the Apple Watch Ultra with these elements. And this look. And here is our replica bracelet, which should be compatible. Yes, which is compatible with this one. Let's watch in detail. I have to say that in real life this green is less faded, is more darkish, and it's not bad. Let's mount it. Okay. Yes, it's compatible. Look like there is a millimeter left. The best ever created. Yes, he's cool. But on this point, I expected more precision. You can see better here. I think that they probably have one CZ which is compatible with the 40mm. Yes, this green background is not the best, but you can see that it's already a refreshing look for an obsolete, to be repaired soon, Apple Watch. I had a video almost ready, but the Amazon OLED screen repair that I ordered, at the moment of installing it, after that the battery and the internal and even the force touch was in position, I discovered that the Amazon Chinese replica LCD was not working. It's crazy, but you are producing LCD displays for Apple Watch, and when you put the new display, you know that the old screen It's cracked, it's water damage probably, but it works. While the recovery part is not, instead is not working. So, I hope you enjoyed this preview video, which is on the first part, vertical video, on the second part, horizontal video. There will be a mounting video, a repair video soon, once that I get the working LCD. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Sigma, Sony, and bye.